Hello and welcome back to Confident English Cast.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
My name is Henry.
And I'm Sophia.
We make this show to help you speak English with more comfort, step by step.
Yes, simple words, clear practice, and friendly conversations you can copy.
If you enjoy our episodes, please like and subscribe. It helps this channel grow.
And it helps more English learners find us. Thank you so much.
Sophia, I have a question for you.
Oh no, is it a hard question?
Not hard, just very common. What do people talk about when they don't know what to say?
Food, traffic, and the weather?
Yes. Today, we are talking about the weather.
The weather is perfect for beginner English. It is easy, and everyone understands it.
Also, the weather changes, so you always have something new to say.
Exactly, and today we will practice real sentences you can use with anyone.
Before we start, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. I have good energy today. And you?
I'm okay. I am a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Why?
I stayed up late last night. I told myself one more video.
And then you watched 5 more videos?
Yes, my brain said stop. My hand said next.
That is so real. Don't worry. Today's topic is simple. Your brain can relax.
Let's warm up with a small conversation.
Great. Everyone listening, you can repeat after us.
Sophia, how was your weekend?
My weekend was good. On Saturday, I visited my aunt.
Nice. What did you do with her?
We drank tea and talked a lot. Then we watched a funny show.
That sounds cozy.
It was. And on Sunday, I cooked rice and vegetables.
Wow, very healthy.
Yes, but I also ate a big cookie after dinner. Balance, Henry.
Balance, I like that word.
My weekend was interesting.
Uh-oh, what happened?
On Saturday morning, I went to buy groceries.
Normal so far.
Then I looked at my list at home.
Wait, you forgot the list at home?
Yes, I walked to the store with strong confidence and zero information.
That is a special skill.
Thank you. I bought random things. Tomatoes, bread, and 1 lemon.
1 lemon? Just one?
I don't know, it felt responsible.
That is so funny.
On Sunday, I cleaned my room.
Good job.
I found a missing sock. It was behind a chair.
The mystery is solved.
Okay, now let's connect this to our topic.
The weather.
Yes, because the weather changes what we do on the weekend.
True. If it rains, you stay home more. If it's sunny, you go out more.
Sophia, what is the weather like today where you are?
Today it is bright and warm. The sun is out.
Same here. The sky looks clean and blue.
It feels like a go outside day.
Yes, a day that says, walk a little, smile a little.
And maybe buy 3 lemons, not 1.
Let's teach the most important question.
Yes, everyone listen and repeat.
What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
Great. And you can also say, how's the weather?
How's the weather?
Short and easy?
And the answer can also be short and easy.
For example, it's sunny,
It's sunny.
it's rainy,
It's rainy.
it's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
Perfect.
Henry, can we do a fun challenge?
Yes, but please make it gentle. I'm still sleepy.
Gentle challenge. Everyone listening, choose one sentence and say it out loud.
Sentence 1. It's sunny today.
Sentence 2, it's cloudy today.
Sentence 3. It's windy today.
Great. If you can say one sentence, you are practicing real English.
Now, let's build more weather words.
We will start with basic weather adjectives.
Sunny,
Rainy,
cloudy,
windy,
snowy.
foggy.
Let's explain them simply.
Sunny means the sun is shining.
On a sunny day, many people feel happier.
Rainy means rain is falling.
On a rainy day, the ground gets wet.
Cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky.
The sun may hide behind the clouds.
Windy means there is a lot of wind.
On a windy day, your hair becomes a wild animal.
Snowy means snow is falling.
Snow is white and cold.
Foggy means there is fog.
Fog is like a cloud near the ground. It makes it hard to see far.
Henry, which weather do you like most?
I like warm and sunny weather.
Of course you do. You are a simple happiness person.
Yes. Sun, warm air, and a light jacket. That is my dream.
I like rainy weather sometimes.
Really? Why?
Because rain sounds nice on the window, and it feels calm.
That's true. Rain can feel peaceful.
But I do not like heavy rain when I need to go out.
Yes, wet shoes are not fun.
In English, weather is a very common small talk topic because it is neutral and easy for most people to share.
That means you can talk about it with a neighbor, a coworker, or a new friend.
Exactly. It is a safe way to start a conversation.
Now let's talk about temperature.
Temperature means how hot or cold it is.
The easy words are hot, warm, cool, and cold.
Let's do examples.
Hot, it's hot today.
Warm, it's warm today.
Cool, it's cool today.
Cold, it's cold today.
Great. Now let's add feelings.
Feelings are important for real conversation.
You can say, it's hot today, I'm sweating.
Or, it's cold today, my hands feel cold.
Or, it's warm today, it feels nice.
Or, it's cool today, I want a light jacket.
Henry, can I ask you a funny question?
Yes, but please be kind.
Do you dress for the weather correctly?
No, almost never.
I knew it.
I check the weather, then I ignore it.
Why?
Because I always think it will change.
And then you go out with no umbrella and no jacket.
Yes, then I get cold and surprised.
The weather is not the problem, Henry.
I know, I am the problem.
Let's teach a useful sentence for beginners.
Okay,
I need an umbrella.
nice.
I need a jacket.
Also useful.
I need sunglasses.
I often forget sunglasses.
Same. Then we walk outside like this.
Yes, like two confused turtles.
Now let's add some stronger vocabulary.
Yes, but don't worry, we will keep it simple.
First word, forecast.
Forecast means a prediction about the weather in the future
You can check the forecast on your phone.
or on TV.
Common sentence, the forecast says it will rain.
Another sentence, the forecast looks good for the weekend.
Next word, drizzle.
Drizzle means very light rain, not heavy rain.
So you can say it's drizzling.
Drizzle is small rain that feels soft.
And then we have the opposite idea, heavy rain.
You can say it's pouring.
Or it's raining a lot.
Next word, breeze.
A breeze is a light wind.
A nice breeze feels good on a warm day.
It is not scary. It is not strong.
Next word, humid.
Humid means the air feels wet.
On a humid day, you may sweat more.
Your skin can feel sticky.
Many places have hot and humid summers.
Next word, chilly.
Chilly means a little cold.
Not freezing, not terrible, just a bit cold.
You might want a light jacket.
Next word, clear,
A clear sky has no clouds.
or very few clouds.
A clear night is good for seeing stars.
Next word, overcast.
Overcast means the sky is almost fully covered by clouds.
So the sky looks gray and the sun is hidden.
You can say, the sky is overcast today.
Sophia, can we practice these words in simple sentences?
Yes, everyone repeat after us.
The forecast says rain.
The forecast says rain.
It's drizzling now.
It's drizzling now.
There is a nice breeze.
There is a nice breeze.
It's hot and humid today.
It's hot and humid today.
It's a bit chilly this morning.
It's a bit chilly this morning.
The sky is clear.
The sky is clear.
The sky is overcast.
The sky is overcast.
Great job. If you can repeat, you can speak.
And if you can speak slowly, you can speak well.
Now, Henry, let's talk about seasons.
Great idea. Seasons are another common topic.
The 4 seasons are Nichian: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Some people say fall instead of autumn.
Yes, fall and autumn are the same.
Sophia, what season do you like best?
I love spring
Why spring?
because it feels like a fresh start.
Nice.
Flowers grow. The days become longer.
Spring often feels hopeful.
Yes. And the weather is usually not too hot.
I think I like autumn.
Really?
Yes, the air feels cool.
And the leaves change color.
Yes, and I can drink warm tea without sweating.
That is a very specific reason.
It's important.
What about summer?
Summer can be fun,
People travel more in summer.
and you can wear simple clothes.
But summer can also be very hot.
And sometimes humid.
Yes. Humid summer is like walking in soup.
That is a funny image, but it feels true.
What about winter?
Winter can be beautiful,
Snow can look clean and bright.
but winter can also feel long,
And cold.
and the mornings can be dark.
Sometimes winter makes people want to stay inside.
Under a blanket, with a hot drink.
That sounds perfect, actually.
Now let's practice questions about seasons.
Good.
Question: What's your favorite season?
What's your favorite season?
Answer: My favorite season is spring.
My favorite season is spring.
Or, my favorite season is autumn.
My favorite season is autumn.
Another question: What's the weather like in winter in your country?
Great question.
Answer: It's cold and sometimes snowy.
Or, it's cool and dry.
Or, it's warm, even in winter.
Perfect. Different countries have different weather.
Now let's do a story about one crazy week.
Yes, but we will make it easy.
Last week for me was strange.
What happened?
On Monday, it was sunny and warm.
Nice start.
I went for a walk after lunch.
Good.
On Tuesday, the sky became overcast.
Gray sky day.
Yes, and the wind was strong.
Windy hair day.
Exactly. My hair looked like a brush.
A brush?
Yes, like I cleaned the floor with my head.
That is a powerful image.
On Wednesday, it started to drizzle in the morning.
Light rain.
I thought, no problem, so I went out with no umbrella.
Classic Henry.
Then the drizzle changed to heavy rain.
Oh no,
I got wet, my shoes got wet, my bag got wet.
your one lemon got wet too.
Yes, the lemons suffered.
What about Thursday?
Thursday was cool and clear.
Oh, a nice change.
Yes, and there was a little breeze.
That sounds lovely.
It was. I opened my window and felt happy.
Simple happiness again.
Friday was hot and humid.
That is not my favorite.
Me neither. I felt tired.
Humid weather can make people feel slow.
Yes, I wanted to move like a fast person, but I moved like a slow robot.
Slow robot walk, I know it.
Now, let's teach past weather and future weather.
Great grammar practice for beginners.
Past question. What was the weather like yesterday?
What was the weather like yesterday?
Past answer, it was sunny.
It was sunny.
Or it was rainy.
It was rainy.
Future question. What will the weather be like tomorrow?
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
Future answer. It will be sunny.
It will be sunny.
Or it will rain.
It will rain.
Or I think it will be cloudy.
I think it will be cloudy.
Henry, can you explain going to very simply?
Sure. Beginners, listen.
We can say it's going to rain.
It's going to rain.
This means we think rain will happen soon,
Often, we say it when we see signs,
like dark clouds.
or when the forecast says rain.
Now, let's do 2 short role plays.
Yes. Real life practice.
Role play 1, 2 neighbors in the morning.
I'll start.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm today.
It feels great. Are you going out?
Yes, I want to take a short walk.
Enjoy your walk.
Thank you. Have a good day.
That was easy and friendly.
And very natural.
Role play 2, 2 people at a bus stop.
I love this one. It feels very real. Hi.
The weather is terrible today.
I know, it's cold and rainy.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I do. But the wind is strong, so it's hard to use.
Oh no,
It's okay, I will survive.
you are very brave.
Thank you. It's my rainy day strength.
Great. Everyone listening, try this with your own words.
You can change terrible to bad or not great.
And you can change cold and rainy to hot and humid, or windy and overcast.
Small changes give you many new sentences.
Now let's do a vocabulary review, but in a fun way.
Yes, a mini game.
Henry, I will say a situation. You say the best weather word.
Okay, I'm ready.
Situation 1, small rain, not heavy.
Drizzle.
Yes.
I feel smart.
Situation 2, light wind that feels nice.
A breeze.
Perfect.
Situation 3. Air feels wet and sticky.
Humid.
Yes.
Situation 4, a little cold in the morning.
Chilly.
Great.
Situation 5. No clouds, blue sky.
Clear.
Yes.
Situation 6, gray sky covered with clouds.
Overcast.
Amazing.
Now my turn.
Okay, I'm ready.
Situation 1. A lot of moving air. Trees move.
Windy.
Yes.
Situation 2, white cold stuff falls from the sky.
Snowy.
Correct.
Situation 3. You can't see far.
Foggy.
Yes.
Situation 4, water falls from the sky.
Rainy.
Great.
See? You know more than you think.
Yes. And we are not even using difficult words.
Simple English can still be strong English.
Let's do a short weather and plans conversation.
This is very useful for daily life.
Sophia, do you want to go to the park later?
Maybe. What's the weather like outside?
It's warm and clear right now.
Nice. What does the forecast say?
The forecast says it might rain in the evening.
Okay, then let's go in the afternoon.
Good plan.
And bring an umbrella.
Yes, I will bring an umbrella.
Say it again, Henry, with feeling.
I will bring an umbrella.
Great. Growth is happening.
Now we will help you speak longer sentences.
Beginners often speak one word, sunny,
One word is okay.
but we can grow it into a full sentence.
Level 1, it's sunny.
Level 2, it's sunny today.
Level 3, it's sunny today and it feels warm.
Level 4, it's sunny today, so I want to go for a walk.
Perfect. Small steps.
Let's do it with another word.
Okay.
Level 1, cloudy.
Level 1, full sentence. It's cloudy.
Level 2, it's cloudy today.
Level 3, it's cloudy today, but it's not cold.
Level 4, it's cloudy today, so I will take a jacket just in case.
Great. Just in case means for safety.
Yes. For example, I will take an umbrella just in case.
Now, Sophia, what do you do in different weather?
Great question. It helps learners connect words to real life.
What do you do on a hot day?
On a hot day, I drink more water.
Good.
I try to stay in the shade.
Nice.
And I wear light clothes.
Perfect.
What do you do on a rainy day?
On a rainy day, I listen to music at home.
Cozy.
Or I read a book.
Very calm.
If I must go out, I wear shoes that can get wet.
Smart. I do not do that.
I know.
What do you do on a cold day?
On a cold day, I wear a warm coat and a scarf.
Good.
I drink hot tea.
Great.
And I walk faster.
Yes. Fast walking is free heating.
Now let's make a practice section for listeners.
Great. Everyone, answer out loud if you can.
Question 1. What's the weather like today where you are?
Say one sentence.
It's sunny, or it's cloudy, or it's rainy.
Any answer is okay.
Question 2. What is your favorite weather?
For example, my favorite weather is warm and sunny.
Or, my favorite weather is cool and cloudy.
Or, my favorite weather is rainy because it feels calm.
Great. And remember the important word, because.
Because helps you explain your reason.
Question 3. What will the weather be like tomorrow, you think?
You can say, I think it will be sunny.
Or, I think it will rain.
You don't need to be correct. You just need to practice.
Sophia, should we do one more mini story using our keywords?
Yes, stories help memory. Keep it short and clear.
Okay, here is my mini story.
This morning, the sky was overcast.
The air felt chilly.
I checked the forecast on my phone.
It said light rain.
Outside, it started to drizzle.
I took my umbrella this time.
Later, the clouds moved away,
The sky became clear.
and a cool breeze made me feel happy.
That is a perfect beginner story.
Thank you. I worked hard.
And you used many key words. Great practice for everyone listening.
Now let's review the key words one last time.
Yes, quick and simple.
Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, foggy.
Hot, warm, cool, cold.
Forecast,
Drizzle,
breeze,
humid,
chilly,
clear.
overcast.
If you remember only 5 words, that is still good.
Yes, learning is not all or nothing.
Small progress is real progress.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Yes, please answer in the comments if you are watching on YouTube.
Here's the question.
What is your favorite type of weather and why?
Try to write 2 sentences.
Sentence 1. My favorite weather is 花秋
Sentence 2. I like it because what?
For example, my favorite weather is warm and sunny. I like it because I can walk outside.
Or, my favorite weather is rainy. I like it because I feel calm at home.
There is no wrong answer. Your English practice is the goal.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
You are doing something great for yourself.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
And please don't fear mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
See you next time on Confident English Cast.
Bye for now, and have a great day, whatever the weather is.